Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Throw. In this video, we're going to be going over the new limited time free assets on FAB.com. So over here we have the Flying Fantasy Town, mechanic characters Sarah, Survivor action RPG shooter woman girl. This this just looks like some sort of SEO type thing. I don't know why it says it like that. And then we have the inventory system fully blueprint V1.3. I wish I didn't see the rating. All right, so let me go ahead and open up Unreal and let's go over these together. So the first pack we're going to be looking into is the Skytown pack. So it looks really medieval, pretty high quality, pretty realistic, really nice foliage covering the walls here, along with this pumpkin patch, as well as some nice smoke effects from this little barbecue or stove. Let's see if there's some inside. So there's interior walls that you can easily design, but nothing in here, and that's totally fine. Some water, nice lily pads. Some sort of mosaic tiling on the ground. Whoa, okay. I didn't notice this. There's some sort of water texture when I go in the water with my camera. Pretty cool. A huge gate that's boarded up by some giant pieces of wood. A little farmhouse. Really mossy walls or rocks, And let's see, is there anything? Oh, there is a lot more. It's actually up here. Okay, nice. So there's a little marketplace, some crates, and it looks kind of like a shrine. You go up here, and kind of looks like you get married here or something, but don't know what that axe is for. And some runic symbols on these bricks. Also, there's this giant statue here. And yeah, overall, pretty cool. Let's check out the other assets. And now let's check out the character pack. So I actually cannot move my character after hitting play. I'm going to go ahead and hit F8 to walk around. This may not be something with the character pack itself. This just might be because I imported multiple things. Maybe some settings got overridden. And overall, so it comes with a few animations in the character itself. So there is the test blend shapes you can kind of see on the face here with all the mouth movement and the face movement. The idle pose, walking, running, and jumping. And in the back, not really sure how many drinks this person has had, but this is kind of the ragdoll effect if you wanted this. But yeah, pretty much everyone's learning curve when it comes to Unreal Engine. So let's take a look at the inventory asset now. All right, so immediately opening the inventory scene, it opens up to this scene. See my character or my camera moves exactly where I'm looking at with my camera. It says welcome. I'll walk here. Door will automatically open. So it'll say approach the item you want to pick up. Press E. Whatever. Let's just try it out. So I'll click E. It says added first aid kit on the top right. And let's do it again. Same thing. Added a green fern. And again, nice interaction. Pretty cool. Added a gunpowder. So now I can open my inventory and switch to the files tab. So let's actually pick up the files. Now when I click I, it opens up this nice looking inventory. When I click Q, I'll go to the map and I can select different floors. And then when I click E, it kind of rotates. So now I'm in the file selection and pretty nice, pretty AAA quality. I actually clicked escape. That was just my go-to to get out of the inventory. But because I'm in a scene, but because I am in play mode, and clicking escape will just make you exit. Okay, that took a few tries. Open your inventory, select the two objects, and combine them. So I'll grab this green fern. I'll grab this red fern, click inventory, and then I can combine it with this. And I made 2 first aid kits. Awesome. So pretty cool. My HP level's down here. And then backspace is to get out of the inventory. And let's see, different equipment groups. You can equip different items like flashlight, knife, weapon, different body parts. So if I go ahead and just equip this, it'll show on my body. If I go ahead and equip the gun. Okay, so I have the gun in my hand and it's showing the shoot animation and where I hit. But for some reason, I'm not in my gun idle or my gun position. I'm not sure why I'm lagging so much. I'm like lagging every like 10 seconds. And yeah, overall pretty cool template. Definitely needs some quite a bit of work, which kind of makes sense, hence the 3.3 star rating. And yeah, thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.